Jiuberry Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable air conditioner that supposedly cools entire rooms in seconds, cuts electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a tiny device. But here's what the marketing doesn't tell you. Reports repeatedly suggest it's much closer to a personal fan or evaporative cooler than a true air conditioner. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between desks, bedrooms, and workspaces. Uses less power than a real AC. Small fans and evaporative coolers naturally consume less electricity. Where the marketing falls apart: it is not a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Reports suggest the device lacks compressor-based cooling technology and behaves more like a fan with mild evaporative cooling. Room cooling claims look unrealistic. Cooling an entire room quickly with a small USB-style device simply does not match how real air conditioning works. The same product appears under many names. Multiple investigations found nearly identical devices sold under different brands with similar ads and marketing tactics. So, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Short answer: you're likely buying a personal cooling gadget, not a mini air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.